The first thing that comes to my mind is that in our sport, anyway, billiard sports, we are incredibly well supported in Hong Kong. Around the world, players will look at Hong Kong and be quite jealous.
好多運動員其實佢哋練波嘅時候唔係話真係好似我以前咁集中，因為我以前真係知道嚟緊呢10年就係可以專心去行好我呢一條路，唔係佢哋嘅錯嘅喎，唔係佢哋能力嘅錯，唔係心態嘅錯，只不過係個外圍嘅因素、客觀因素令到佢哋有呢個諗法咯。
有冇呢一度都未必會左右我嘅選擇咯，好坦白講。但係如果你話係 for 一啲 junior 嘅青少年嘅，即係佢如果見到前路係可能冇乜資源、冇乜資助嘅，咁佢會唔會繼續選擇去繼續擺咁多時間精力落呢個運動度？咁就另一樣嘢咯。
你諗太多，擔心太多又冇用嘅，即係要活在當下咯。我哋見到有咩今日可以做到嘅，我哋盡力去做。
If we do go out from the institute, it would be a big loss for Hong Kong.